Hariom Sai Ram. Bhaiya, Jaideep Bhaiya has said to make this video without showing our faces. I would like to narrate. I have known Bhaiya for about 10 years now, and and Bhaiya has been guiding me from the time onwards. I have gone through lots of challenges in life, struggles unimaginably and unexplainably. I can't explain the difficulties. Also, Bhayaji makes us does upayas or pujas, shall I put it, which may not sound very normal to normal people. It is totally different because he is following a Vedic way of doing things. I would just like to narrate one incident here. It was a few years ago. It's a very different experience. Bhayaji took me to a temple in Tamil Nadu, in the town of Kumbakonam, which is known as Tirunageshwaram. It is a Rahuji temple. There, as in South, it's a custom that all temples have to have tanks, water tanks, and people have bath there. In this particular temple, the tank had not been cleaned. The temple administration cleaned the tank and they removed old clothes and other things, about 30 to 40 lorries of it. And Bhayaji had asked me to get lots of live fishes. Lots of live fishes to be put it into the Rahuji temple tank, which we did. Lots of live fishes, we put it into the tank. By science blessing, the fishes had multiplied and the temple authorities had to send them to other nearby temples and share the fishes with them. This is one of the upayas what he had made me do for our elders, for our pitras. All the maximum pujas what Bhayaji has taught us is that when our elders are happy, our God is happy, our sai is happy with us. So maximum pujas what he makes us does is to play especially the Amavas puja every month, is to please our elders. When elders bless us, automatically the Almighty also blesses us. Our elders are closest to the Almighty. I am at loss of words to describe other incidences. There are plenty full of experiences and things I have had with Bhayaji, with Jaideep Bhai. Also, I'm at loss of words to say about the good things he has done for me and protected me in life. My competitors in business, they destroyed my business completely. Completely means I mean completely. And lots of false cases and other things disturbing me mentally and physically were thrust upon me. But Bhayaji, by way of his prayers and other things, has always been saving me and always been guiding me. I always pray to my sign to take care of all, and I'll request everybody to please follow and do the Amavasya Puja. People may think in today's time that it is not possible, and what is all this which is invisible we cannot see, because we have a habit of believe only what we see we believe. Please believe it. Believe is something which you cannot see. My prayers to all. Om Sai Ram.